Planning your dream vacation to Seychelles but confused about the visa requirements? Hi, I'm Dilishma and I'm a travel content creator, and in this video I will be sharing visa requirements and other details with you. So let's just dive in. Good news is we do not require a visa. We just need to fill one travel authorization form and that's it. I'm sharing my screen and showing you step by step how to do it. First thing first, you can apply this within 30 days of your trip, and without this approval, you won't even get your boarding pass. So don't skip this step. Open the official Seychelles Electronic Border System website. Avoid any third party sites that charge extra fees. Link is in the description box. You can click on that link and directly go to the website. Once you're on the home page, click Get Started option and click on My Device if you're using on the phone or desktop. So here you are tourist, of course, so click on the second option. Now here all the details are mentioned what are required for filling this form and getting the authorization: a valid passport, selfie, contact information, credit card, debit card, flight ticket and accommodation proof. So here, if you're an individual, you can click on individual. If you're a group, up to 6 people within a group can apply together. So mention country of residence. If you're living in India, mention India. If you're living in Qatar, mention Qatar. So it will take you to another page where you will have to upload passport. So upload your first page of the passport copy and the system will autofill all the details. Make sure the details are correct and as per the passport. If there is any error, try uploading the passport once again. And make sure the name on the passport, on the flight ticket and on the accommodation proof, it's all the same without any spelling mistake. Second option is a selfie. So either you can upload a passport size photo or you can take a selfie either on the phone or on the webcam of your laptop. Make sure you have enough light and the photo is clear. So select the appropriate photo and click on next. Here you will have to fill contact information. So mention your correct phone number, email address. The authorization will be sent to your email address. So make sure the email address is entered correctly. The next step is to fill trip information. Here it asks the purpose of your visit. So of course it's tourism. Select holiday. And here you will have to enter the arrival date, the departure date, flight name, flight number, and what is your origin country and what will be your departure entry basically. And it will also ask where are you staying. So mention the hotel name and the duration. If you have multiple hotels, mention all the hotels. So if you have 4 days and you're staying in 4 different hotels, mention all 4. The next is health declaration, custom declaration. Both you will have to read all the details and click on the correct option. The next step is accommodation proof. Upload all the files. So if you have 4 different stays, then upload all the accommodation proof and then air ticket also. Once everything is done and uploaded, it's time for the payment. It's 10 euros per person. Within 24 hours, you will get the authorization on your email and it will be looking something like this. So that's it. No embassy visits, no paperwork, nothing. Just one online form and Seychelles is all yours. Are you planning a trip soon? Drop a yes in the comments and I will be sharing my 4-day itinerary with you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.